everyone, this is Fai. Today, I want to show you guys an easy way to make your eyes look bigger and longer without any plastic surgery. If you are curious how to do it, let's start. First of all, wear contact lenses which are bigger than your real eye pupils. And now, take an orangey peanut color and apply it all over the eyelid as a base eyeshadow. Make sure to use a big eyeshadow brush and blend the color outwards to the area around the end of your eyebrow like this. And next is the most important part. I'm going to mix a light gray with a dark grayish brown eyeshadow and apply it around the other corner of my lower lid. Firstly, extend the area around 1 cm from the other corner and connect it with the base eyeshadow like this. And then also apply it onto the lower lid just near the waterline a little bit. Make sure to take your time when you do this unless you want to smudge everything and have under eyes. Use a small eyeshadow brush to make it easier to apply. And then take a medium brown eyeshadow and apply it onto the other V, blend it inwards, and connect it to the eyelid fold. This trick will make your eyes look way longer. Even Blackpink's Rose used this for her eye makeup. Look at this eye looks longer, right? To make the eyes look brighter, apply a little bit of glitter eyeshadow onto the middle of the eyelid. This trick will make your eyes look rounder when you open your eyes. Now I'm going to line my eyes. The easiest way to do it is by using a pen liner. Make sure you take your time and draw a thin line along the eyebrows line, because thicker line will make your eyes look smaller instead. And then drag the line around 1 cm longer at the end, just right under the tail of the eyebrow. If you have hooded eyes, it's better to draw the tail a little bit downwards instead of making it upwards, because if you create a wing eyeline, when you smile the line will crease and it won't look good at all. Now I'm going to create the aegyosal. It's a famous eye makeup trick to make you look younger. Now smile to see where you should create the aegyosal. Next, I'm going to apply a light shade cream concealer onto my lower lid. And then finish off by applying a shimmer highlighter on top of it like this. Now can you see this eye makeup change the whole look? Now let's apply the falsies. Choose thin false lashes if you want to create a natural eye makeup. And then apply mascara. For the lower lashes, if you want to have a rounder eye, apply just around the middle part like this, right beneath your pupils. Now can you see the difference? I'm going to do the makeup on the other eye now. Alright, now both of my eyes look bigger and longer, and of course look more attractive, right? With this eye makeup tricks, you don't need to have plastic surgery to get pretty eyes. You just need 10 to 15 minutes to do it, and you can have bigger eyes. If you like this kind of basic makeup tricks, please leave comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!